Okay, so I am going to make a dipole antenna. Already I have made with these two aluminum rod. So as you can see, I have created few holes here and attached with the screw. This is two telescopic aluminum rod. By chance in future if I change the frequency, then it will be really helpful for adjusting the dipole. And the aluminum dipole, one single length is around 72.5 centimeter. So the dipole is made like this, and I will fix in this bamboo tower. As you can see, there is a telescopic antenna that already I have installed, but the performance is not up to the mark. So that is why I have made this dipole. And the cable is also not very high quality cable. It is a standard cable, which is RG58 cable, and the loss is quite heavy for the length, because I am using 15 meter of cable, so maybe the loss will be huge. Let me calculate with this chat GPT. Okay, now I will connect this, and for connecting this type of paste you should use to prevent the jong, and it will be increase the conductivity for a long time. And this type of paste is used generally when you are connecting aluminium to copper or copper to aluminium to prevent the chemical reaction. Be connected with this middle wire. This middle wire will be here, and this body wire will be in the down part. That part will be here, and this part will be here. Okay, as you can see, I have set the dipole antenna approximately 30 feet above from the ground with a long bamboo. So let's go ahead. Let's go to the transmitter. I have few collection of transmitters, so with all of this I will test the range one by one. Okay, to see the range test, please subscribe my channel. So this is Niorfnio, and as you can see, I have few more collections: ST15B, ZD2015, Niorfnio, and few more transmitter I have that I will show you later. So now it's the time to range test. As you can see, the ZD2015 is producing 18 watt power, more than 18 watt. That means my antenna is super perfect. Range test video link is in the description. Click in the description and watch the range test video. Do like and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, so I am around 4.5 kilometer far from the home, not the route wise. I am approximately 4.5 kilometer far directly across the diagonal from the transmitter to a receiver distance. So I will measure the distance through Google Map, then I will get the exact diagonal or radius from the transmitter. So and also I went more than 8 to 9 kilometer far from the transmitter. Also the signal was being received by the transmitter, but not with that installed telescopic antenna. If you use a little more wire with the telescopic antenna of the receiver, then you will receive the signal very clearly. So I got approximately 9 to 10 kilometer range in free area. Free means there are very few trees or almost no home. So 90% of free area you can get more than 10 kilometer of range with a good dipole antenna. But if you have a village like few small trees and small houses, in that case you will get approximately 4 to 5 kilometer range easily. And if you use a long wire for the receiver on your roof or a high place, then you can easily receive the signals without any problem. So you can get a good result if you make a dipole antenna. Okay, this is another range test video. I was getting around 9 to 10 kilometer range in this test. So let's continue watching. Yes, the place is approximately here. As you can see, the distance is more than 2 kilometer, and I was receiving signal without any antenna. If I close the antenna of my radio, also the stereo signal was being received, because this is completely free area. There were no more trees, no home, nothing. 98% was free area. Okay, so if I come to this area, there were very few signals because there are a lot of trees and very high houses are there. So if I wanted to receive signal, I had to use a extra wire with the receiver antenna. So in this area, I was getting signal with fully extended my radio. So if you use any extra wire, the signal will be more clear. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do subscribe for more videos like this.